We're going on a ride, yeah. Wheel Talk.
Welcome to Wheel Talk. I'm Taylor. I'm going to be your driver and your DJ for today.
And I'm Shea, your host of Wheel Talk, and we have a special holiday episode for you today where we're talking about giving the gift of clean air.
Let's go. Okay, Shea, it's just me and you in the car today, and we are covering no burn days, so let's get right into it. What is a no burn day?
Okay, so before we even get into a no burn day, I want to talk about smoke and what it's made up of. So did you know that smoke is made up of tiny, tiny particles that are about 30 times smaller than a single strand of human hair? It's like really, really tiny. So when we inhale smoke, especially a lot of it, it lodges deep into our lungs and can really impact our health. So the government has a limit called a federal health standard on how much of this can be in the air. So when Maricopa County Air Quality Department is forecasting that air pollution is gonna, rise, mainly because the forecast is calling for dry, stagnant weather, or it's just not gonna be really windy, they'll issue a no burn day to try and limit that air pollution. So a no burn day is a restriction that starts at midnight. It lasts 24 hours. And what it basically says is that you can't use wood burning fireplaces, fire pits, or open outdoor fires that involve wood burning for that 24-hour period. Unless, of course, it's your primary source of heat.
So if everybody is burning wood and a bunch of smoke does get in our air, what does that do to our health?
So Valley hospitals actually see an increased number of patients come in who were exposed to smoke, and unfortunately a lot of those patients are children and the elderly, but even healthy people can be impacted by smoke exposure, and smoke exposure can lead to asthma attacks, bronchitis, respiratory problems, and if you're exposed to enough smoke over time, it can even eventually lead to a heart attack. So it's really, really critical that, especially this time of year, I get it, you want to have a cozy fireplace. It's really holiday and festive-y and everything, but think about your neighbor.
It's not worth it.
It's not worth it. Think about the kid down the street who wants to go and ride their new bike on Christmas Day, but they can't because they have severe asthma and it's too smoky. So give the gift of clean air this holiday season.
So you mentioned people do love that cozy vibe of a fireplace. What are some things that people can do that's an alternative?
So there's gas and electric fireplaces, there's EPA certified wood stoves, pellet stoves, and there's also a thing that you can do where you retrofit your fireplace with a device that can actually reduce pollution by up to 70%. And what's really cool is that Maricopa County has a fireplace retrofit program that will give you up to about $2,000 to retrofit your fireplace. But just keep in mind there's restrictions to be a part of the program. It depends on where you live. You have to live in a specific area, and you also have to have gas service go to your home. So just keep that in mind. But that's something that people can take advantage of too.
Cool. We just pulled over, and now it's time for our holiday karaoke. Woo!
Chestnuts roasting on an
EPA certified wood stove.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir. And folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe helps to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna smile to see if reindeers really know how to fly. And so I'm offering a simple phrase from kids from 1 to 92
Or 99.
Yes, or 100. Though it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to